families of more than 100 Burmese migrants returning from Malaysia wait for their loved ones in Rangoon's international airport. The migrants were flown home by the Malaysian and Burmese governments after clashes in Kuala Lumpur last month left at least 4 Burmese dead. One of those on board was injured after being attacked in the Malaysian capital. His mother says she's pleased to have him home. Malaysian authorities say Muslims who were allegedly seeking revenge over sectarian violence in Burma attacked the Burmese nationals. After the assault, social media outlets were flooded with exaggerated reports saying that Buddhists were being massacred in Malaysia. Ong Thura also returned from Kuala Lumpur. He says there is a big difference between what is being reported and what is actually going on. So far, about 300 migrants have returned from Malaysia. The Malaysian government says they plan to repatriate 4,000 more migrants who are being detained. Up to 500,000 Burmese nationals live and work in Malaysia, and many stay there illegally. Despite assurances from the government that the situation is under control, many migrants still hope to return to Burma. But for those staying in Malaysia illegally, this is proving difficult.